I've been wandering the desert for many moons, and I'm exhausted. So one popular day trip for people visiting Dubai is a desert safari. This involves driving east of Dubai to the Arabian desert, and it usually involves dune bashing and a big camp dinner that has entertainment and a variety of activities. First stop on our desert safari was to a place that offered quad biking over the sand dunes, and this was sort of an optional extra for our tour, so it cost extra money, and to me it seems a little unsafe, so I was not really interested in doing it. But in the end I was convinced to go on a ride with our tour guide, and it was pretty fun. Finished quad biking, our driver let some air pressure out of the tires so we could go dune bashing. Basically what dune bashing is where you take a four-wheel drive vehicle and drive over and on the sand dunes, and this can be a very thrilling experience. It may not look as scary in the video as it is, but there were times where we were so angled on the sand dunes that we felt like we could possibly flip over. We got an opportunity to try sandboarding. You could either do this sitting on the board or standing. Of course, standing was a lot harder. I didn't get very far before I fell. So the last stop on our tour was a big desert camp where they had a variety of activities, including camel riding and henna hand painting, and there was a big buffet dinner with entertainment. desert safari and my visit to Dubai, but next week I'm going to check out Abu Dhabi. So if you like this and you want to see more, please like and subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when the new videos are available. Until next time, bye!